Anjali everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chosen and my channel is mostly about the travel videos. But today I'm gonna show you my bedroom, and for the first time I'm gonna do cleanup videos with you guys. So until now I have done my breakfast, I washed my clothes and I cleaned my other rooms. So now is the time to clean up my bedroom. So let's do it together and I hope you all will enjoy my video. So guys, this is my bedroom and this is pretty small bedroom that I have. That's it. So here is the door. And if we enter on the right side, you will get to see my study table, which is very messed up right now. So I'll show you later after, cleaning up. So here is my bed and my pillows and blankets over there. And this is my closet. And there are some random stuffs on it. And there's another small table on which I have kept some incense, perfume and candles over there. And this is my sister's guitar. And over here I have hung towels and bags on the door. So this is pretty much. This is so small, right? So I'll show you around in the detail after we done makeover or cleaning. So let's do it. First of all, I'm gonna do my bed. So let's do it. So guys, I have cleaned my table. So now we'll keep things one by one on the table. So first of all, I have with me, my convocation group picture of the Naropa Fellowship. So you all might have heard about the Naropa Fellowship. So it's a course in Ladakh. So it's for 1 year and the course is mostly about the social entrepreneurship, leadership, and overall individual development. So here is my Naropa convocation picture. And here I have His Holiness the Galwang Drupa Rinpoche, and I'll keep it here. I don't know, maybe here or somewhere here. Let's keep it here. And then I love collecting, beautiful these postcards. So this postcard is from this store called Nurbul Inca. I bought it from Dharamshala, not Dharamshala, I bought it from the Bodh Gaya. So here are some more from the Nurbul Inca. Here it is. These are all from Nurbul Inca, and this is from Chetan's store, Willow Turtle. So now they have changed their name to Ladakh Collectives, I guess. So I like to collect postcards, so that's why I have 4 postcards. I have more, but I have kept it inside my drawer. So yeah, let's keep them here, somewhere here, I don't know. I'm very bad in decorating, okay? So don't judge me. And this is the loveliest thing on my table, my grandfather and me. So this was gifted to me by Jordan, one of my friends. So we clicked this picture on 20th October 2018. So this was the most memorable day of my life. I met him, so it was very nice day. So now he recently passed away, so I always love to keep in front of me so that I can remember him and I can pray for him. So yeah, I'm just keeping it here in the center. Next we have this clock, wall clock. I just want to keep it here only. So yeah, let's keep it here only. So it's from Mapcha store, which is in Mashnuka Tila in Delhi. So I love their products, so that's why I have ordered many stuffs from Mapcha from last few months. So that's why I like this clock too. So it's here. And next I have this cute little piggy bank from Kashmir. So let's keep it somewhere here. I'll keep this my mug over here. So yeah, I'll keep it here. And then let's keep our books over here. Let's keep this here. And then also I have this cute little calendar, and this is from Gul Meher. It's an NGO from where you can get this eco-friendly products. So they collect waste, and out of waste they made these beautiful products. So this is one of their products. So every year I purchase this calendar from them. So don't forget to buy in 2022. So yeah, it's very cute. So I'll keep it here. So guys, I have cleaned my table, study table. So this is how it looks like after the cleaning. So yeah, done with the table and the bed. Now let's do the other parts of the room. Meanwhile, you can see Angmo. Cutie. Cutie. Ooh. Ooh. So now let's do this part of the room. I think there's no more use of the fan because it's already winter. So I don't know what to do with this book. There's some random stuffs. of towels and bags. That's all for today's video. I hope you all have liked my room and my videos, and I'll put the link below of all the products which I have bought from different stores. And stay tuned for the next video. Till then, subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you next time. Until then, Chile, bye bye, take care.